Om Sai Ram, Vanakkam, welcome to Grandma's class. In this video, we are going to do the exercises given on page number 66, 69 and 70 of Unit 3 Prose. Sir Isaac Newton, the ingenious scientist. Standard 8 English, Samachir Kalvi. We have already done the lesson in 4 parts. You can find the links for all those videos in our description box. Besides that, we have 2 more videos on vocabulary exercise and grammar exercise, for which you can find the links in the description box. Section 1. Fill in the blanks. Isaac Newton was born at Woolsthorpe. Number 2. Grandmother was advised to apprentice him to a clockmaker. Number 3. Isaac made a clock by the dropping of water. Number 4. The sundial made by Isaac is still in existence at Woolsthorpe. Number 5. Isaac constructed a model of the windmill. Question B. Choose the correct synonyms for the italicized words. Number 1. Isaac was chiefly remarkable for his ingenuity. Remarkable means notable. Number 2. He will make a capital workman. The answer would be excellent workman. Number 3. Nobody could tell what the sunshine was composed of. Composed means made of. Number 4. He cared little for earthly fame and honors. Fame means popularity. Section 2. Choose the correct antonyms for the italicized word. Number 1. His grandmother was very kind to him. Opposite of kind is cruel. Number 2. The boy seemed to have a taste for mathematics. Opposite is distaste. Number 3. Isaac possessed a wonderful faculty of acquiring knowledge. It is lax. Fourth one. He was observed to be usually busy with his tools. Usually, opposite is rarely. Next, B. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1. Who was taking care of Newton after his father's death? The answer is his grandmother was taking care of Newton after his father's death. So the whoங்கிற வார்த்தைக்கு பதிலா நீங்க his grandmother னு போட்டாலே போதும். Second one பாருங்க. What did Isaac manufacture at his young age? சின்ன வயசுல அவன் வந்து என்ன வேலையை ஐசக் உற்பத்தி பண்ணாரு? Isaac manufactured a set of little tools and saws of various sizes at his young age. Third one, how did the young boy find the strength of the wind? So காற்றினுடைய வேகத்தை இந்த சின்ன பையன் வந்து எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சாரு? The young boy found the strength of the wind by jumping against the wind. காற்றுக்கு எதிர்ப்பக்கமாக குதிப்பதன் மூலம் காற்றினுடைய வேகத்தை கண்டுபிடிச்சாரு. According to the length of his jump, he could calculate the force of gentle breeze, a brisk gale and a tempest. Length of his jump, அதாவது எவ்வளவு தூரம் குதிக்க முடியுதோ அதிலிருந்து gentle breeze, மென்மையான காற்றா, brisk gale, வேகமான காற்றா, tempest, புயல் அளவு வேகமா அப்படிங்கிறத அவரால் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடிஞ்சது. Why were his friends attracted by the windmill? His friends were attracted by the windmill because they thought they had not seen anything so pretty and wonderful in the whole world. ஸோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து அவர் செய்த விண்மீலில் ரொம்ப அட்ராக்டடாக இருந்தாங்க பிகாஸ் இட் வாஸ் வெரி ப்ரிட்டி. அதே மாதிரி உலகத்தில் வேறு ஒன்றும் இருக்க வாய்ப்பில்லை அப்படின்னு அவங்க நினச்சாங்க. நம்பர் 5. ஹவ் வாஸ் நியூட்டன் ஆனர்ட் பை த கிங்? ஆக்சுவலாக கிங் இல்லை, ஹி வாஸ் ஆனர்ட் பை த குவீன். நியூட்டன் வாஸ் மேட் தி மெம்பர் ஆஃப் த பார்லிமெண்ட் அண்ட் ரிசீவ் தி ஆனர் ஆஃப் நைட்ஹுட் ஃப்ரம் த குவீன். Question C. Answer the following in about 100 words. First question. Why did Newton's friends advise his grandmother to apprentice him to a clockmaker? ஏன் எல்லா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் அவங்க கிராண்ட்மதரை பார்த்து அவர் ஒரு கிளாக் மேக்கர்கிட்ட வேலைக்கு அனுப்புங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. In his early days, Newton was chiefly noteworthy boy in his ability to invent things. He had manufactured a set of little tools and saws of various sizes. With the help of those little tools and saws, he invented curious articles at which he worked with so much skill. The articles manufactured by him with great skill were admired and praised by his friends and neighbors. Hence, some of his Friends advised his grandmother that he could apprentice to a clockmaker. Besides his mechanical skill, Newton seemed to have a taste for mathematics, which would be very useful to him in that profession. After some time, he could set up one for himself. Question 2. How did Newton learn about the way a windmill operated? Newton frequently visited the windmill that operated on a new plan. He spent hours together in examining the various parts of the windmill. He examined the internal machinery of the windmill when it was not working. When the windmill's broad sails were in motion by the wind, Newton examined the process by which the millstones revolved and crushed the grains, put it into its hopper. Thus, Newton gained a thorough knowledge of the construction and operation of the windmill. Question 3. Mention some of Newton's inventions. Isaac Newton is best known for his 3 laws of motion. In mathematics, his inventions included laying the groundwork for differential and integral calculus, which are very important. His inventions in mechanics and gravitation were summarized in the Principia. The reflecting telescope and binomial theorem were also some of his best inventions. He was the first to find out the nature of life. He invented the reflecting telescope, which was used to view and map out the orbits of the planets. He also used his theory of gravity to calculate the elliptical orbits of the planets around the Sun accurately. Hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our Grand Maths class. Thank you. Om Sai Ram.